In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do both video and audio transitions. To start, go into your effects library, go to video transitions, and here you're free to choose whatever the fuck you want to add to your video. What I like to do is add cross dissolve. It's a very common one. I'm going to click, drag, and drop right here in the middle of these two clips. Then when you go to play it, it's going to be a nice, smooth, easy transition into the following clip. Pretty simple shit. That's all you have to do. You can play around with some other shit like this here, center wipe, move it towards the end of this clip, play it. That's the transition that you're going to get. So you can play around with it, choose whatever the fuck you want out of this stuff here, and that's all you got to do for video transitions. For audio transitions, really all you have to choose is fading. I don't know if there's more options in the paid version of Resolve, but again, I'm a cheap fuck and I'm not going to be paying for anything, so this is what I get. But if you're looking to add a fade effect to your audio, all you have to do is click and drag and drop. Now, I am not going to play this yet because as you can see, there's a shit ton of white going on right here. And if I play that, it's probably going to blow your fucking eardrums out. So what I'm going to do is click right here in the middle and drag. We're going to decrease the audio right there. So now I'm a little bit more confident to play this fade effect. And you can also extend it outwards as well to increase the duration of it. You can also do that towards the end of the video if you'd like as well, and it will just have the opposite effect. That's all you have to do. That's really the only option for audio transitions, but if you want to add a fade effect, you can go ahead and do that. Yeah, that's really all you have to do for both video and audio transitions. It's pretty fucking easy. But yeah, that's really about it. Take it easy, guys.